Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna discuss about mod 2, mod 3, mod 4, mod 8 and mod 9 uh, deeply, because our last video covering this same exact uh, deep modular arithmetic functions was not clear in the audio section. So this is the clear audio version of our previous video on the modular arithmetic section, so let's just dive right in. First of all, let me cover the IMO level tricks, and after that, it'll give you conceptual, information. So first of all, 10 mod 2 is equal to 0 because the remainder when you divide 10 by 2 is 0. Now 11 mod 3 is 2 because when you divide 11 by 3, you'll get the remainder 2. So that's just that's all about the concepts in modular arithmetic. We just have some fancy formulas, but I'll teach you some tricks for IMO. First of all, for mod 2, um, mod 2, if even, okay, if you get even results, I mean an even number, then mod 2 is equal to 0. Odd means mod 2 is equal to 1. That's it. Even means 0, odd means 1. Mod 3, okay, let me teach this to you with some examples. Let's take some big number 890. Okay, so if you had to find mod 3, you don't have to divide 890 by 3. We can simply use the divisibility rule of 3. So the sum of the digits, that is 8 plus 9 plus 0, that is equal to 9 okay, 17, you get, right? Because 9 twos are 18, it's just minus 1. 18 minus 1, so that's just 17, right? So now you can divide 17 by 3. 17 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, so you get mod 3 is equal to 2 because it's 15, right? You can also do one thing. If you still feel 17 as a big number, no one does. But if you still feel you need a one-digit number, you can again repeat the same process. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 by 3, that is 8 mod 3. Oh, sorry. Is equal to 2 because the remainder when you divide 8 by 3 is 2. So that's all about mod 3. And if you go to mod 4, okay, again, let's take an example. Some big example, okay? So here, you don't have to consider the whole number. It's enough to just consider the last two digits. So the last two digits is 93, right? 93 we have. So if we just do this, we'll get answer 93 mod 4 is equal to 7893 mod 4. Oh, okay. Is equal to what's 93 by 4? 4, 20, sorry, 80. Okay, 92, so that's 1, right? We'll get 1. 92 it must be divisible by 4 because that's 80 plus 12, right? So 92 by 4. Yes, you get 23. What trick I use here is I just consider the last two digits, and 80 plus 12 is 92. 92 is completely divisible by 4, so the remainder must be 1. So let's just go to mod 8. Mod 8. Okay, I'm not gonna, illustrate every single trick. Here, I'll just give you what you should do. Consider the last three digits. That's it. If you consider the last three digits, that's just enough. The mod value you get after considering the last three digits must be the mod value you finally get for the big number. So mod 9 Okay, mod 9. Okay, again you do the sum of digits. Okay, let me give you a big number. So 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8. Okay, so you divide the whole thing. So you just divide the whole thing by 9. Okay, and even if you feel this is bigger, for example, let's say you get a 2 or 3 digit number, you can again repeat the same process just like we did here. Until it gets to a single digit number, you can keep on doing the same operation. Okay, so that's it about the tricks for IMO. Now I'll give the formulas for, conceptual exams. Many will write conceptual exams, and for IMO those tricks are enough. If you're an IMO student, you can just end this video. If you're a conceptual student, you can just take a screenshot of these. You don't have to understand these, don't worry. They're just conceptual. You can just write the formula and then apply your trick, and you'll be able to get the answer. So first slide for mod 2, and now it's mod 3. Take a screenshot so quick. Okay, mod 4 again, fast fast fast, and then mod 5, I mean mod 8, not mod 5, mod 8 again, and then mod 9 finally. This is just summary sheet. This is just what you exactly need for conceptual exams. Even in conceptual exams, they might ask 1 or 2 application questions that involves application of these formulas. There I have a trick for you. You write the formula for example, for mod 2 you write n is equal to 2k plus r. Okay, uh, so after writing the formula, you can just directly use the trick and then just illustrate them. No one's gonna question you that, because you can just write r is equal to 0 or 1, and k is what decides your factor. If r is 0, it's even. If r is 1, it's odd. So you can just illustrate like that, and no one's gonna question you that method. No one can actually. So that's it for today, guys. In future, after putting in AI, Python and AI tutorials, I'll be starting a math. Not only math. I'm just gonna start a club where we're gonna build the future using AI, math. We're gonna build some super cool AIs using Python, deep learning, and LLMs. So stay tuned for the link, and follow my channel, subscribe, and like the video. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.